What is up, guys? Welcome to your 30th and hopefully the last tutorial that I want to talk about concerning arrays. Now, in this lesson, I actually just want to teach you guys about a lot of cool tricks that you can do using arrays. So the first thing that we need is, of course, a couple arrays examples. I'm going to make two arrays. One is called boys and one is called girls. Now, boys is going to be Bucky, Tony, and I'll just add one more, Tommy. So now, as you can see, Bucky, Tony, and Tommy in the boys arrays, and the girls array is going to be, just think of some girls' names. Lisa, it's a nice name. Jenny, and let's get a dirty one like Skanky. Got to throw her in there and make things interesting. So basically, we have two arrays right now. Each have three people in them. Boys has Bucky, Tony, Tommy, and girls has Lisa, Jenny, and Skanky. She's my favorite. So what I want to show you guys is this. In addition to all the ways that we can create arrays like this or this, there is a alternative and awesome way that we can create an array. We can basically combine old arrays to form new arrays. So let's go ahead and make a new array called people and say that we want people to have all of these people: Bucky, Tony, Tommy, Lisa, Jenny, Skanky. Well, what we could do is we can go ahead and type them all in individually, or we can just do this: boys plus girls. Now what this is going to do is it's going to take all the elements from the boys and girls array and it's going to throw it into a new array called people. So go ahead and hit enter and check it out. People array now has Bucky, Tony, Tommy, Lisa, Jenny, and Skanky. Awesome, huh? So that is one way that we can create an array. Basically take old arrays and take all the elements and throw into a new array called people. Now, in addition to that, we can also kind of do the opposite as well. Say we had this people array and we wanted to, I don't know, remove the boys from it. So let's go ahead and make an array called no boys, and we'll set this equal to people minus boys. Not oys, boys, just like that. So check it out. Remember, the people array was all 6 people. So now what we're doing is saying, okay, take all the elements that you had in boys and subtract them from people, basically so you're only left with the girls. Now go ahead and hit enter and check it out. The no boys is basically all the people minus the boys, so only Lisa, Jenny, and Skanky. Dang it, Skanky. So those are basically weird ways that we could use math along with arrays. Remember this, it's not actually adding the arrays themselves, but more of the elements. So there you go, there you have it. And what I want to finish up with is this. The last thing I want to tell you guys about is how to check if certain items are in your array. Now, in order to do this, you use something called the include method. So it's basically, I don't even know if I told you guys. Oh yeah, the if statement. So let's go ahead and print something out on the screen like, yep, that person is included. Now let's go ahead and add if statement. If girls dot include. Now after include, go ahead and write a question mark. Now after the question mark, this is when you pass in your parameter, and the parameter is just a person's name like Lisa. So check it out. We pretty much saying, okay, print something out on the screen. If girls dot include Lisa. Pretty much, if Lisa is included in this girls array, then go ahead and print out, yup, that person is included. So we're going to go ahead and hit enter, and remember, Lisa is indeed in the girls array, so check it out. It says that person is included. But what if we had a girl that wasn't included, and what if her name happened to be Kathy? Well, Kathy isn't in that list, so now once we hit enter, that code doesn't run, we just get back nothing. So I know I told you guys that that was the last thing, but I guess I might as well finish off this because I only have like 2 other things to teach you. Let's go ahead and take a look at that people array real quick. Bucky, Tony, Tommy, Lisa, Jenny, and Skanky. Now, this is like some really quick things I want to teach you guys. In order to access the first and last items in your array, just go ahead and write the name of your array and then first, which is Bucky, and in order to access the last item, instead of first, can you guys guess what I'm going to write? Hello, last. So these properties basically take the first items and the last items in your array, and they pretty much output them to you. Now, another cool thing that you can do is say you wanted to access the first two people or the first four people. Well, the first four people in this array are Bucky, Tony, Tommy, and Lisa. So if we wanted that, instead of just writing first, we would add a parameter to first, which is 4. Now, this is pretty much saying that we want the first four people in our array. Bucky, Tony, Tommy, and Lisa. Pretty cool, huh? Now, the last thing I know this is a lot of information, but I promise this is the last thing. If I'm lying, I'm not lying, guys. This is the truth. But I'm going to show you guys how to reverse an array. Go ahead and make an array real quick called bacon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How exciting, I know. So now the bacon array has 5 elements in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, in order to reverse an array, this is probably the easiest thing I ever taught you guys. Go ahead and just print it out on screen. Bacon dot reverse. Basically, anytime you want to reverse an array, type the name of your array and add reverse onto it and check it out. It just prints out, well, it should. Wow, what's going on with my dumb thing? Okay, let's try that again. Bacon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bacon reverse 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What the heck happened up here? I don't know. That's kind of crazy. Freaking me out. Some ghost letters right there. Or ghost numbers. But anyways, actually, you know what? Run this code and tell me, guys, if you get this too. And if so, then, yeah. Something weird's going on. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.